Hey guys, welcome to One Best Trade. If you're an option trader, especially intraday active option trader or an option scalper, this video is for you. Friends, in this video, I'm going to explain you how to place bracket order and cover order for option trading in Zerodha Kite. Friends, you may be knowing it. Zerodha don't offer cover orders and bracket orders for intraday. You may be knowing it, right? And you can find a cover order option, but if you place it, you'll get an error that cover orders are not allowed for FNO. So what is the solution then? How do you place? Because they don't have a bracket order for intraday and also they have a cover order, but it is not allowed for option trading. Then how do you place cover orders and bracket orders? Friends, there is a solution, there is a trick I'm going to explain you in this video. Well, before that, let me explain you quickly what is cover order and bracket order, why these orders are important in option trading. Now let's see what is a cover order. Cover order is nothing but a type of an order where you are entering a trade with a predefined stop loss, and you can enter a trade either by limit order or a market order or stop loss limit buy. Because stop loss market order is no more valid in option trading, so you can enter a trade either limit order, market order or stop loss buy order, but always you enter with a predefined stop loss. In a one single order, you are placing both entry and stop loss. The biggest advantage of cover order is you are saving time, no need of placing a separate stop loss order so that you can avoid slippage because of execution delay. So immediately your stop loss will be placed the moment the entry order executed. Now let's see bracket order. Bracket order is a type of an order where you are entering trade with predefined stop loss and target. Every order you are entering with a stop loss and also target. This entry can be limit or market order or stop limit buy order. The biggest advantage is you are entering with a predefined stop loss and target and also entry in a single order. So second advantage is you can place a target without any additional margin. In normal MIS orders, what happens is the moment you enter a position, you can place stop loss without any additional margin. But if you want to place target, it asks you additional margin, and that additional margin can be around 1,41,000. Without this additional margin, you can place both the stop loss and target in bracket order. That is the biggest advantage. Now let's get into our core topic, how to place cover orders and bracket orders in option trading in Zerodha Kite web. Friends, as I said, there is a trick, there is a solution. For that, all you need to do is you have to select a regular product and then you select overnight option, and then you can find here GTT orders. So where you can attach stop loss. If you are placing a cover order, you just click this. Here you are going to define the stop loss in terms of percentage. Okay, for a stop loss it's going to be minus 5%. So by default, this stop loss you can change according to your requirement. Now let's go to our first example. So placing limit cover order. Here Bank Nifty 38,200 put option is trading around 257 rupees. You want to buy this option if it comes around 200 rupees with a predefined stop loss of 10 rupees. 10 rupees stop loss you want to place. So for that, all you need to do is just go to the instrument, select a buy option, and then as I said, go to the regular and then overnight. So here what you need to do is you are placing a limit order, right? Just go and select, and you will buy only if price comes to 200, and then you attach the stop loss. Since it is 200 rupees, 5% of 200 is 10 rupees. So that you just keep it minus 5% and place buy order. So automatically your order get placed. The order which we placed, we can see in the order book. Here you can see here. So if you want to modify, just go and modify. Now let's go to the second example, how to place stop loss limit by cover order. For example, 38,200 put option is trading around 272 rupees. You want to place an order if price breaks 300 rupees with a 15-point stop loss. So all you need to do is open order window, then select a regular product overnight option, and then go and attach the stop loss. Just keep it 5%, that is around 15 points. You are placing stop loss limit buy. That means you have to select SL because SLM is no more valid in option trading. So only if it breaks 300 rupees, your order should get executed with stop loss. So here you can keep a buffer around 1%, that is 303 rupees. Just go and place it. So order get placed with a 5% stop loss, that is around 15 point stop loss. The moment price crosses 300 rupees, automatically your order get executed with a 15 point stop loss. If you want to cancel, just go and cancel it. The order get cancelled. Now let's go to the next type of order, that is market cover order. Here all you need to do is select market and then attach the stop loss. By default it will take 5%, and then it is approximately right now around 200 rupees. It comes around 10 point stop loss. Just go and place a buy order. Your order got placed around 194. So now you can check your position. Yes, your order is placed, and to modify the order, so just go to the GTT order, and if you want to modify, just go and edit it. Since trade is going in our direction, we can modify also. So trigger price 195, and just give a buffer here at least 2%. It is approximately around 5 rupees. You keep a buffer 190 and then modify it. Since again the trade is going in our direction, it is now 250. This trigger price will make it 210 and 205. I will keep around 2% buffer. Just go and modify it. Our order is got modified. Let's see, now it is a 232. So all we need to do is again go and modify. Right now 235 will make it trigger price around 230 and 225. Just go and modify it. Now again it is going in our direction. It is right now around 273. Will make it 265 and 260. Modified. Order is modified. Still it is trading around 270. The moment it comes to 265, automatically our trailing stop loss get triggered. Already we are in good profit. Let's wait. Our trailing stop loss got triggered around 262 rupees 60 paisa, but our trigger was around 265, and our limit price was 260. In between 265 and 260, our order got triggered. That is how you need to give some buffer so that your order get triggered. Otherwise, it acts as a limit order. If there is no trades in that particular price, your stop loss may not trigger. Here we can clearly see that we entered at 194.55 with a stop loss of 10 points, exited around 262.6 with a trailing stop loss. It is almost 70 rupees. It is 1:7 risk to reward trade. This is how we used a trailing stop loss in cover order and exited with a very good profit. Friends, we have seen how to place cover order. Now let's see how to place bracket order. Just click the order window, select a regular product, then select overnight option. Then you can find GTT. Here you have to attach both the stop loss and target for your order. Then it will become bracket order. Here also you can place 3 types of bracket order: limit bracket order, market bracket order, and also stop loss bracket order. Now let's see our first example, limit bracket order. For example, now option is trading around 215. You want to buy around 175. You just specify the price and then go and place it. Here both the target and stop loss is going to be in terms of percentage. Just go and place it. Your order get placed. You can go to the order book. You can also check. Once order get executed, you can see in the GTD order book where you can modify your both the stop loss and also target. If you want to cancel the order, just go to the order book and go and cancel it. Now let's go to the next example, how to place stop limit by bracket order. Here for example, now current price is around 216. You want to buy if price breaks 250 and with a stop loss of 10 points and 20 points target. Here all you need to do is you just select stop limit and specify the price, that is 250, and trigger price 1 to 2%, give a buffer. Here you can give 252 and then attach the stop loss and also target. Since our stop loss is 10 points, you make it minus 4%, that is approximately 10 points. Target is 8%, that is approximately 20 points target, 10 points stop loss. So just go and place it. Your order get placed. Your order get executed if it breaks 250 rupees. Automatically 10 rupees stop loss and 20 rupees target will be placed in the system. Now let's go to the next order type, that is a market bracket order. For this, you select a market option and then attach stop loss and target in terms of percentage. Then go and buy it. Instantly the order get executed. Now let's see one live example. If a price breaks around 210, we'll take the trade. So now we'll make it 210. So we are placing stop limit buy order 210. If it breaks, we will take the trade. We'll give a buffer of 2 rupees, 212. And then we are attaching the stop loss, approximately around 10 points stop loss and also 10 points target. So just go and place it. Our order is placed. Our order is pending. Our order get triggered once the price crosses 210. The current price is 194. The moment price crosses 210, our order get triggered with a target of 10 points and approximately with a stop loss of 10 points. Still our order is not triggered. So our order got triggered. Guys, we can see here. We can go and modify also our trigger price. Guys, our target is also done. We can see here. Well before modification, our target is done. Friends, it's excellent trade. We entered at 210. Exited at 221.35 within couple of seconds. Within 14 seconds our target hit. That is the beauty of bracket order. The moment target hit, automatically our stop loss order get cancelled.